Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Calculate the concentration of nitric acid in moles per liter in a sample which has a density of 1.41 gram per milliliter and mass percentage of nitric acid in it being 69%. Here what we have to find? Concentration of nitric acid in mole per liter, and we know that mole per liter is the unit of molarity. So we have to find molarity. And which values are given? Density is given, mass percentage is given. If density and mass percentage is given, and if they ask molarity, there is a direct equation. What is equation? Molarity is equal to mass percentage into density into 10 by molar mass of the solute. What is the mass percentage given? It's clear, right? 69%. What is the density given? 1.41 into 10. What is the molar mass of solute? What is the solute here? Nitric acid, right? Which means HNO3. What is the molar mass? See, H, hydrogen is 1, nitrogen is 14, oxygen is 16, but 3 oxygen is there. On adding, you will get 63. Okay. Solve this, and on solving you will get 15.44. And what is the unit of molarity? Mole per liter. Or you can write capital M. Okay. Hope all of you understood.